How to book a railway ticket using the IRCTC Rail Connect on your Android or iOS devices. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily book railway tickets or train tickets using the official IRCTC Rail Connect application in your Android or iOS devices. The procedure is almost similar for both the Android and iOS devices, so watch carefully. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is download the IRCTC Rail Connect application. So you can download it from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Then once you have successfully downloaded the IRCTC Rail Connect application, simply tap on it and open the application. If an alert appears, you need to click onto this OK button and then proceed on by logging in into your account. To log in, click onto this login button at the top right corner, and once you will click onto this login button, you can log in using your login pin, or if you are logging in first time, you need to use your IRCTC user and password. And once the verification is done, you will be logged into your account. Now in order to book a train ticket, you need to click onto this train button and from here choose book ticket. And from here you have this particular interface from where you need to select the source station and the destination station. So in order to select the source station, simply click onto this station name and choose any station which is your source station, and then for the destination station do the same and choose your destination station. You can also choose to book any particular class or any particular quota if applicable right from this page as well. Then after you are done with this, you can choose the date of departure, and once you have selected the date of departure, you also have some other options like flexibility with date, person with disability concession, connecting journey booking, trains with available berth, or railway pass concession. So if these filters apply to you or your search, you can check mark them as well. Then click onto this search train button and it will give you the list of all the different trains available within this particular date that you selected. So in order to view at the availability, you can click on to any of the classes and then you can see if seats are available for that particular class or not. If not, you can try moving on to different trains, as there could be different trains and you might find availability on to some other dates or in some other classes as well. And once you are done with this, you need to click onto this passenger details option, and over the left hand side at the bottom left you can also see the fare breakup as well and the total fare. So simply click onto this passenger details option and this says senior citizen concession not allowed for this train. So simply click onto this OK button and then you have the option to select existing passengers. If not, you can simply close this, and in order to add a new passenger, click onto this add new button, add their name, add their age, their gender, their nationality, and also if there is a berth preference as well, and then click onto this add passenger button and the passenger will be added like this. Then you have the option of payment. You can pay either through credit, debit card or net banking or using Bheem UPI. So choose any of the options and click onto this review journey button. Now it will take you to this final page where you can once again see all of the details, and then you need to fill in this particular captcha, and once you will fill in this captcha, you need to click onto this proceed to pay button, and then if this warning appears, since I am currently booking a waitlist ticket, you can click onto this yes button or no button according to this preference. And now we are inside the payment page. Simply choose any of the options or add your credit or debit card details, verify the OTP, complete the payment, and your ticket will be sent to your email address, and also your PNR will be available on the app and via an SMS as well. So that was all about booking a ticket using the IRCTC Rail Connect application on Android or iOS devices. So that was all for this tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.